Hello, namaste and welcome to our channel, High Five India. So today we are here, my native place, and we are here to learn how to make a fishing stick. For that we'll need stuffs like this thing. This is a plastic wire, a long stick. It's a bamboo stick. So we see this thing. This is what the fish, how she's gonna trap. So we have 1, 2, 3 stuff. There's one more. So this thing, this is a common stick which we find over here, but the best part about this is, let me show you. So if you see this one, here is a pond and this thing is gonna float. So because this is not going to sink, we'll be using it as a floating object. So let's get started now. He is trying to make a knot to tie the fishing hook to it, and now what he is going to do is, so guys, what you can do, you can make any sort of knot. I think any sort of knot would do. Just make sure that the knot is strong and tight enough. Now he is trying to attach the string or the synthetic thread to the apex of the bamboo stick and is tying it up with another knot. Now here comes the floating stick. So the floating stick has been tied up as per the depth of the pond. So I think this guy knows, he knows the depth of the pond, so accordingly he is adjusting the difference between the hook and the floating stick. If you look into an order, bamboo stick, floating stick and the fishing hook. Make a bait, they make a wheat flour tough and they wrap it around or they attach it to the fishing hook. Stick is moving. Now we are gonna pull it up and hopefully we have a fish. It seems we have a fish. Whoa, 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 we got it, guys. Yes, yes, we got a fish finally. Whoa, 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 whoa. So guys, finally we do have a fish. Right, yes, we have a fish. This thing did work, guys. It works, and if you could see, that's how Indian way to catch fish. Yeah. Yeah. So this is how you wind up the stuff. So guys, this was it from High Five India. Yeah. Hey guys, make sure to subscribe to our channel High Five India. Give us a thumbs up if you have liked the video and share it with your friends.